Rotifers are microscopic aquatic animals of the phylum Rotifera. Rotifers can be found in freshwater environment. Protozoa are protoctis, unicellular eukaryotic cells, organisms, and heterotrophs. They have asexual reproduction, mitosis. Algae are autotrophic organisms. They can be pluricellular or unicellular, and they can have asexual or sexual reproduction. Stentor are a typus of protozoa. They are heterotrophs, and they have eukaryotic cells. Stentor are unicellular organisms.